According to Jelling, alcohol is a legal substance that reduces anxiety in the user. He insists that some people consume alcohol to be able to relax their mind or socialize with their friends. However, drinking alcohol can lead to adverse mental, physical, and social problems. Alcohol addiction has different effects on men, women, and young individuals. People addicted to this drug increase their risk of developing complications such as suffering from liver cirrhosis and hepatitis. Considering the increasing the number of alcohol consumers and the development of the consumption when a victim's liver cannot eliminate the high level of toxins consumed, the addiction is a cause of alarm to every person in the society. Before commencing, most individuals consider the inability to control the level of liquor consumption among alcohol addicts as shameful. In fact, media contend that alcoholics fail to seek professional advice because of fear of stigmatization. According to Dalhousie University research statistics, approximately 7% of Americans are alcoholics. In addition, Dalhousie University researchers claim that 86.4% of individuals above 18 years that they have consumed alcohol at a certain period of their life, which raises the question, what's the effect of alcohol on the consumers? According to Pastel, alcohol affects women, men, and teenagers differently. To begin with, I will explain how alcohol addiction affects women, then I will explain the consequences of excessive consumption of alcohol among men. Lastly, I will help you understand the effect of alcohol on individuals who start drinking at an early age. First, I will start by explaining the effect of alcohol on women addicts. The bodies of women metabolize alcohol at a slower rate than those of men. Women become alcohol addicts when lose the ability to control their urge to drink. Nonetheless, diverse environmental, genetic, and social factors have a role in the effect of alcohol on women. As a result, Zachary and Hector claim that alcohol addiction might lead to disorders such as infertility, breast cancer, pregnancy complications, and depression in women. Men have a higher tolerance of alcohol than women. First, even though some men might control the quantities of alcohol that they consume, most of them rapidly progress to addiction. There's cases regarding alcohol addiction among men are higher than that in women. Excessive consumption of alcohol causes cognitive impairment, colon cancer, liver cancer, and dysfunction in men. Individuals who start drinking at an early age are at a higher risk of developing healthcare disorders than people who start taking alcohol later. Let us look first at the Jean Blanc, who claimed that the teenagers addicted to alcohol have an increased likelihood of abusing other drugs such as marijuana. Similarly, teenagers addicted to alcohol engage in sexual activities at an earlier age than their peers who do not consume the drink. Also, according to Weirs, individuals try to suppress their anxiety and depression by consuming alcohol, which has negative effect on their health. For instance, the teenagers have increased likelihood of attempting suicide, In addition, Cook claims that the alcohol drinkers have increased chance of contracting STDs or unwanted pregnancies and risk dropping out of the school. In this speech, I have discussed the effect of alcohol addiction among women, men, and teenagers. Now let us review this effect. Today I have discussed the diverse effect of alcohol addictions among individuals. First, I show you the effect of alcohol addictions in women, such as infertility, cancer, breast cancer, pregnancy complications, and depression. Next, I explain the effects of excessive consumption of alcohol among men, including cognitive impairment, good colon cancer, liver cancer. Finally, I helped you to understand why individuals who start drinking at an earlier age have the higher risk of developing healthcare disorder than people who start taking alcohol later. Hopefully, I have provided enough information to help you understand the effect of the alcohol addiction among different populations of people. Although people who cease drinking still experience the side effect of addiction, individuals who care for them should seek for professional guidance. Heavy alcohol consumers experience advice withdrawal symptoms and they require professional monitoring and care after abstaining from drinking. Notably, Van claims that the withdrawal symptoms of the alcohol are irritability, anxiety, nightmare, tremors, fatigue, headache, and depression. Even though most of alcohol withdrawal effects decrease with time, certain symptoms such as conversions require medical advice. Because alcohol addiction does not start from a single drinking event, the victim should not expect the instant remedy. After writing these dangers, the individual should implement their review program by reducing their consumption gradually. And here's my speech.